Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Asana tasks into Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted a simple way to analyze your workflow, share data with your team, or back up your tasks in a spreadsheet, this tutorial will walk you through every step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly sync your Asana project with Google Sheets and keep everything organized and accessible. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up Asana. If you're like me, you probably have a few tabs open already, but make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or have different login credentials for your teams. If you don't already have an Asana account, just head over to asana.com and get signed up. It's quick and free for basic use. Once you're inside Asana, look for the project you want to export. Your projects are typically listed on the left-hand sidebar, and you can scroll down if you have lots going on. Take a moment to pick the right project. Double-check the name and contents so you don't end up exporting the wrong tasks. This is especially important if you manage several projects at once. Click on the project to open its detail view. You'll see all your tasks laid out just as you expect. Now, look at the very top of the screen, next to the project's title. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow or icon. Sometimes it looks like a chevron or a little triangle. This is where extra actions for your project are hidden. Go ahead and click that drop-down. If you've never explored this menu before, you might realize just how many useful options Asana gives you here. Things like project settings, templates, and importantly, export options. From the drop-down, find and select Export. This is the gateway to getting your data out of Asana. When you click it, you might see several choices, like exporting to a CSV file, PDF, or what we're after, syncing to Google Sheets. In many cases, the Export to Sheets option will be labeled Sync to Google Sheets. Select this option. Now, there's a moment where Asana will prompt you to connect with your Google account. If this is your first time syncing, you'll need to give permission so Asana can send data into your Google Sheets. Don't worry, this is a secure connection, and Asana won't touch anything in your drive except for the sheet it creates. Just follow the prompt and choose the Google account where you want to store your exported tasks. If you're working in a team, think about where it makes the most sense for everyone to access the data. Sometimes, a shared drive is best. After you approve the connection, Asana will work its magic and create a new Google Sheet for your project. This step can take a few moments, especially if your project is large or contains lots of attachments and subtasks. Grab a sip of coffee while you wait. The sync is usually pretty fast. Once it's done, Asana will provide you with a link straight to your new sheet. Click that link, and you'll see all your tasks neatly listed, with all the relevant details, task names, assignees, due dates, statuses. It's all there. And there you have it, your Asana tasks, now accessible in Google Sheets. You can sort, filter, build charts, or share this sheet with colleagues, much easier than managing tasks out of Asana alone, especially for reporting or data analysis. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit that like button to support the channel. If you ran into any snags or have questions about syncing other integrations, just drop a comment below. I check them often, and I'm happy to help. For more useful tutorials on productivity tools and workflow tricks, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.